when it comes to finding a versatile and efficient cooking solution for small spaces, dorm rooms, or even your RV. This Techwood Hotplate portable electric stove stands out as an exceptional choice. This double-burner hot plate not only offers the power and control needed for various cooking tasks, but also ensures portability and safety, making it a go-to appliance for many. Upon unboxing the Techwood hot plate, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek and modern design. The brushed stainless steel housing gives it a sophisticated look that can easily complement any kitchen decor. The double burners are neatly arranged, and the Stay Cool handles are a practical addition, ensuring safe transport even when the stove is hot. The package includes the hot plate itself and a detailed instruction manual, which provides clear guidelines on how to use and maintain the appliance. Its compact and flat design is immediately apparent, making it clear that this stove is designed with portability and space saving in mind. Key features and specifications. The Techwood hot plate is equipped with 2 powerful burners, each with 900 watts of power. This 800-watt combined power allows you to cook efficiently and quickly, making it suitable for a wide range of dishes. Whether you're warming sauces, scrambling eggs, grilling cheese, or cooking pasta and vegetables, this hot plate can handle it all. The thermostatically controlled heat settings provide precise temperature control, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. One of the standout features of the Techwood hot plate is its compatibility with all types of cookware. Whether you're using aluminum pans, copper pans, cast iron frying pans, or non-magnetic stainless steel pans, this stove heats cookware efficiently with minimal heat loss. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, as you don't have to worry about purchasing special pots and pans. The compact and flat design of the Techwood double burners makes it ideal for various settings. It's perfect for dorm rooms, studio apartments, RVs, and caravans, and it's also a great option for camping trips or as an extra cooking appliance in a busy kitchen. Its small and lightweight size means you can easily store it in confined spaces or transport it wherever you need. Powered by 1800 watts, the Techwood hot plate heats food faster than conventional cooking ranges, making it a time-saving addition to your kitchen. The non-slip feet ensure stable cooking, while the solid stainless steel riveted handle stays cool and comfortable during cooking. The ergonomic design enhances safe transport and handling, and compared to induction cookers, this electric cooktop is safe to use and doesn't emit harmful radiation. Using the Techwood hot plate is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design and efficient performance. The double burners allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, which is perfect for preparing full meals or entertaining guests. The adjustable temperature settings give you full control over your cooking, whether you need a gentle simmer or a rolling boil. During testing, the hot plate demonstrated consistent and even heating, with minimal heat loss, ensuring that food was cooked evenly. The Stay Cool handles were particularly useful, allowing for easy repositioning without the risk of burns. The non-slip feet provided stability even on uneven surfaces, making it a reliable choice for various environments. Maintaining the Techwood hot plate is straightforward. The stainless steel body is designed to withstand frequent use and is easy to clean. After the hot plate has cooled down, simply wipe it with a clean cloth to remove any food residue or spills. The smooth surface ensures that cleaning is quick and hassle-free, keeping your hot plate looking new even after multiple uses. Techwood offers an excellent 12-month warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase. Their customer service is available to assist with any queries or issues, ensuring that you're satisfied with your hot plate. Additionally, all Techwood products are protected by US product liability insurance, further emphasizing the brand's commitment to quality and safety. In conclusion, the Techwood hot plate portable electric stove is a versatile, powerful, and safe cooking solution for anyone needing an extra burner or a portable stove. Its compact design, compatibility with all cookware types, and efficient performance make it an excellent choice for dorms, small apartments, RVs, and camping trips. The adjustable temperature settings and double burners provide the flexibility to cook a wide range of dishes, ensuring that you can enjoy home-cooked meals wherever you are. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient portable stove, the Techwood Hotplate is a top contender. Its combination of power, safety, and portability makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen setup. Don't miss out on this exceptional appliance. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.